Alright guys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have another cool song from Dax. So he's here regularly and it's about time now to bring him again. Diary of a Trying Man, that's the title of this new song. And we're gonna go into the four chords. And before we do that, we're gonna do the setup. Capo high up on the 8th fret. Why? Why? Because we want to have a simple life, easy chords, but also to match up with the sound. If you don't care about the match with the sound, then you just skip the capo and you just follow along with the chords. I believe you want the easiest chords possible, so therefore I'm gonna give you that. And yeah, let's go into it. We're gonna start with F first. That's a bar chord, so you place index finger on the 1st fret, you push on all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. That's the G, sorry, F. Next is the G, and 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. That's the G chord. And next comes A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the E minor, and that will end that 4-chord scenario. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. Okay, so there you have it, the order of it through entire song. Now let's go into the strumming, and we will base the strumming up on the strumming that is going on there in the beginning of this song. You hear clear guitar playing there. So yes, let's learn it with this F chord, of course. So grab that one. One round goes like this. Okay, so it's a pretty long one. We're gonna start with down, down, up. Okay, then comes up, down, down, up. And then finally gonna end with up, down, up, down, up. So if you combine all these parts here, we're gonna play down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you have this kind of falling forward motion. So down, down, up, down, down, up, like falling forward. So okay, that is how you do it. Now you're gonna play one of these per chord in order we'll just learn. So F1, G1, A minor 1, E minor 1, like this. One more time. F, G, A minor, E minor. And there you have it. Okay, so very simple. Dax, Diary or Trying Man, or Diary or a guitarist. It's up to you guys. Have a good one with this. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, leave me a like or comment here. Give me something back and enjoy that. So thank you so much, and play tuned.